We ship over 1,000 swimsuits per month for a client of ours, Waterlust. I want to walk you through the 7 steps that we use to ship 1,000 orders per month so that you can walk away with at least one thing that you can implement to ship faster for yourself. So let's get into the 7 steps. Hey, I'm Jake from EcoShip, a 3PL located in Reading, Pennsylvania. We've been working with Waterlust for about 2 years now. Before working with us, they were shipping all of their own orders. And so these techniques that we're using today, you can use in shipping your own orders as well. I want you to walk away with techniques you can use yourself. The first step that you got to do is store your products. You need to put them on wire racks. You got to make sure that they're well taken care of. We put some stuff in bags because our warehouse is a little dusty here. You want to use wire racks with bins, multiple levels per wire rack. The goal here is to get your storage nice and condensed for swimsuits, because the swimsuits, they're made of fiber, which can absorb dust, but they're also made of fiber so you can get them pretty compact. We like having 1 SKU per bin. If you're just starting out, you could actually put like 7 SKUs in a bin because you know where everything is, you know what everything is. After we store everything, then we move to actually picking the order. Now for us, with our system, we use Ship Hero, which enables us to pick multiple orders at the same time. For a long time though, we were picking just 1 order at a time. So we would get the packing slip printed out, we would go and look at the location and then grab the product. Before we even had that, we would just have the product name on there and then go and pick the actual product instead of going by SKU. The more sophisticated you are, you can have more location-based tracking. But if you're just getting started out, having just the products is totally fine on your packing slip and picking that way. Either way, I totally recommend get a cart from something like Uline or another provider that you can pick a bunch of orders in at once. So you're not just like picking one at a time and coming back to the computer. Make it efficient, right? You want to make it fast. You don't want to be shipping orders all day. You want to make this efficient and fast. These wire racks we got from Home Depot. You can actually just go Home Depot, buy these wire racks. They work really well. They're 48 inches wide. They're 18 inches deep, which fits perfectly a 18-inch deep, 12-inch wide bin from Uline, which we use all over the place. You can see them on our racks here. Okay, so that's step number 2, picking. Step number 3 is choosing the right software. Okay, so on my screen here, you can see I've pulled up Ship Hero. Now, for your instance, if you're shipping like 0 to 200 orders per month, don't go get Ship Hero. That's way too much. You should get something like ShipStation or Shipping Easy or Veeqo. If you're looking for the absolute best rate or the best software for you, we actually have a guide on that. You can check that out in the link below. It's totally free PDF download. You can go ahead and download that right now. No big deal at all. You can get the exact rates and what will work best for your specific instance and use case. So that's what we want to do in step 3, get the right software. If you're looking for just the best rates, I'll give you a hint right now. This is coming from the Rate Report. Shopify, Veeqo, those are your best friends. After we have the right software, now we want to get the products. Okay, so I have my products hanging out right here. Okay, they're ready to go. So this is an order that I've already picked. It's ready to be scanned. What we do is we verify this. So you can see I have this beautiful swimsuit right here. This is a parrotfish inspired swimsuit. One of the cool things about Waterlust, it's really cool, guys. They do products that are based specifically on animal prints. So they print the animal print onto the swimsuit itself. So this is a parrotfish. Then they also include this little educational postcard in here. I love Waterlust, it's so cool. All right, so we have the barcode, and then we scan everything in our system to make sure that we have the right stuff in the order. Once we have everything scanned, then we're ready to go pack. If you're small enough, if you're doing like, again, 0 to 200 orders per month, you don't really need to worry about scanning. Scanning really comes in, scanning and barcode comes in when you have employees, because you need them to pick the right thing, and you can't always be sure that they're gonna get the right thing if they don't have any barcodes, okay? So if you're doing over 200 orders per month, get some barcodes, get scanning capabilities. Some softwares can do it, some can't. So our next step here is actually packing the product. So for this, we're gonna use an envelope. In our system, we choose this as an envelope. I'm able to scan it and actually records that in our system. I'm gonna put this onto the scale to weigh it all. And then I'm gonna use a barcode over here to get the weight from the scale. And then I'm gonna print that invoice and label. So while that's printing, I have our products here. They're gonna go into the bag. Very good. We like to get a piece of tape because these things can sometimes pop open, so we use our tape machine. So this tape machine, it's awesome, okay? It spits out the exact size tape that we need. You can see I got the perfect length right here. This is a Better Pack 555E. You can get this from Patco. Guys, Patco is the best. I love Patco. These guys, They're hilarious, and I love working with them. These are pre-owned machines, so you'll pay a little bit less than getting a new machine. It may have some defects that happen along the way while you're using it though. It's pretty easy to replace and repair though. Okay, we have this closed, so now I can put my shipping label on. Perfect. We got our shipping label on, and now this is ready to go to the post office. I'm gonna close this in our system here. Okay, a couple of notes on hardware and what we've used here. Our packaging material, this comes from Eco Enclose. Great option if you're looking for sustainable materials and shipping. Perfect option for that. If you want other options, Uline is the main place where people get packaging from. For hardware, if you're looking for a scanner, this is a Honeywell scanner. Spend a little bit of money on a scanner, it's really worth it. I say this all the time. A good scanner is worth it. A bad scanner, like $15 scanner from Amazon, it's crap. Okay, it's just crap. It's gonna drive you nuts if you're using a scanner. For scale, this is a Fairbanks scale. We love these things. They don't have any sort of auto shut off time or anything. They're a USB scale that go right on your bench. It's really easy to weigh stuff. We got the BetterPack 555E, and then we also have a paper dispenser over here. This table comes from Uline as well. These uprights come from Global Industrial. That is our setup for hardware and how we get it done. Our printer, this is a Zebra printer. You could use a Rollo printer. Either one will work. They're just a USB plugged into the system, and then it pops out with the label. Okay, so we have our finished package here. We're gonna take this to the post office, get it to the customer. I hope this was helpful to you, that you at least got one way that you could improve your shipping through this. We're here to help you simplify your fulfillment and unlock growth. Hope this helped you. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.